I have a lot of new people on my channel, so I figured I should just reiterate a few things that are important to my core beliefs. I come up with my own little idioms for things, and I apologize because it might make me a little confusing at times, but one of them is even thrown stones shape us. The idea being that our armor is shaped by everything that happens to us, good and bad. There are people on here who I would love if they were my sledgehammer, pounding me into shape and making me whole. But that's not their job. Only I can do that. Don't let just anyone pound on you.